What's up, my peeps? It's Cynthia, the fitness and wellness bully here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am the real life fit to fat and soon, God willing, soon to be fit again. If you know, you know. So today I bring you a quick and dirty 15-minute walking workout. If you're short on time, you could do it in the morning, you could do it on your lunch hour. You're gonna burn calories, burn fat, and have fun while doing it, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and share with your friends, okay? So remember, this weight loss, fat loss journey is not easy. Lord knows I understand, but it is important for you to love yourself through the process, okay? So enough of the formalities. Let's get it poppin'. Hey, hey, hey. March it out. Pump those arms. You're ready to have some fun and sweat, baby. Quick and dirty. Step and reach across. Reach across the body. Breathe, people. Step and slide, slide. Have fun with this. With the beat in your feet. Woo! Step and touch. Put your own style into it. Starting to glisten a little bit. It's a beautiful thing. Step touch to me for 4. Take it back for 4. All right? Nice and easy. But you gotta keep those arms moving. Get the heart rate up. Double step touch. Woo! Going. Double step touch with a punch. Punch. Punch it.
punch. Hey. Breathe. Inhale, exhale with the punch. Right? Double step touch with a little pump with your arms, little attitude. Hey. Hey. Come on. Tap it back. Just push forward, tap back. Breathe. I'm starting to get a little breathy. Little breathy. Punch it. Right? Protect those pretty faces with the arm that's not punching. And handsome faces. We're gonna take this on the move. Come to me, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back. Come on. Take it back. Step and cross. Right here. Breathe. So cross your feet, right? And your arms. That helps. You're gonna step and throw it. Step, throw. Knee up. Hey. Woo! I'm feeling that in my little hips from my running. Gotta stretch. Last one. Tap front, right, left. So we're not crossing this time. Just straight front. Just tap on the right. Slight bend in that left leg. You're gonna feel it. Ah! I'm feeling it already. Woo! Always pull the navel in, right? And switch. Hey! Switch, but 2 of them. 2 right, 2 left. Woo! Push it out, push it out. Woo! Keep pushing. Feel that right in here. Right? Slight bend in the right leg. Switch. Woo! Ow! Hey! I'm sorry, that beat is funky, honey. Switch it up. V-step. Other side. Have fun with it. I know I am, baby. Hey! Step and kick right here. Breathe. Just keep kicking. Beats coming in. Here we go. Changing it up. Jump rope. Now if you want to slow it down, just give me a heel dig, right? Or speed it up. Step and uppercut. Upper. Get him in the chin, baby. The chin. Hey. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now, out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Good. Breathe. No cool down this time. Cool down on your own. Got it? And march it out. Breathe. Hey. All right. This concludes your quick and dirty workout. I don't know why I shimmied. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, you gotta love yourself through the process. Cool down and stretch, all right? Until next time, people.